Welcome to GreenBiz Studio. My name is Vartan Badalian, Transportation Analyst at GreenBiz, and I'm excited to be speaking with Laura Lane, Executive Vice President and Chief Corporate Affairs and Sustainability Officer at UPS. Hi, Laura.
It's so great to be here with you, Vartan.
Yes, equal. So let's just dive in. Your purpose statement is moving our world forward by delivering what matters. Can you unpack that a little bit and explain how sustainability plays a role in your corporate purpose?
Absolutely. So from UPS's perspective, we want to play an important role in our world, not just by delivering packages, but being good stewards of the environment, shoring up our communities in which we live and work, and doing those kinds of things in a way that has great ethics and integrity and transparency surrounding it. So from our perspective, our purpose is to be a part of the world and, take on that corporate responsibility of not just delivering goods, but doing good in the world.
Well, perfect. So going on to the next question, what technologies are you currently using to achieve your sustainability goals and initiatives? And secondly, what new innovations and technologies are you most excited about that's on the horizon?
So I have to tell you, UPS has always been an innovation-driven company. And a lot of people don't realize we actually had electric vehicles in our operations dating back to the 1930s. So we're always looking for new ways to be able to deliver to meet the needs for our customers. But some of the new technologies that I'm really excited about are ones like the eVTOL, which is an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that we are currently testing to be able to do some of the middle mile deliveries in the air to smaller communities across the United States and potentially outside the United States in parts of the world where it makes sense to use smaller aircraft, but electric powered ones to deliver. Or some of the cool new innovations that we have in last mile delivery with e-bikes that we're piloting across Europe and including in New York City, which kind of harkens back to how we started out as a company, as a bike messenger company, but now we're powering it with electricity to be able to deliver in some of the most congested cities in the world in this new and innovative way. We're also developing new ways to recharge some of the electric vehicles that we currently have in our fleet, using artificial intelligence to draw on the power grid at times that don't take away from the communities that we serve, or using solar powered recharging capabilities in order to recharge some of our electric vehicles. So lots of cool new innovations across our operations so that we can hit our sustainability goals faster and hopefully create the opportunities for those solutions to be scaled and used by others. So it's a cool time to be a part of UPS because we're always innovating.
So my last question for you, you clearly mentioned a very holistic approach to sustainability through an ESG lens. Can you talk a little bit more about the intersection of environmental, social, and governance and how your ESG efforts support your customers at the end of the day?
Yeah, from UPS's perspective, how we operate as a business is infused with how we use the resources that not only our shareholders provide us, but that the planet does too. And at the end of the day, our commitment to be good stewards of the environment is all about serving the people that are part of, planet Earth. And so we see our commitment being one that isn't just delivering good business solutions, but doing it in ways that are environmentally responsible and that serve the people that we are serving. And at the end of the day, we think great companies do so with a good moral compass. They're guided by values that transcend time. They're guided by good ethical processes so that every action that we take is done with integrity. And it's meant to serve not just our customers, but the greater good. And so, in many ways, for UPS, our sustainability agenda is part of who we are as UPSers. It's part of our DNA of not just delivering a great logistics service, but like I said at the outset, delivering good in the world and for the people that we serve.
Well, perfect. Thank you, Laura. You just heard from Laura Lane, Executive Vice President and Chief Corporate Affairs and Sustainability Officer at UPS.
Thanks, Vertan.